Positivity. Ooh-wee. Positivity. I'm not worried about the paycheck. Big smile, cheesed up, can't fake it. I keep my friends non-toxic. No drama in my life and I like it. Nothing's gonna get
Happy birthday, pare!
higher than this puffy cloud. It'll all work out somehow, somehow. Give me all of that.
Kuya, happy birthday! Salamat sa lahat ng tulong. Mahal na mahal kita.
Sun's gonna smile, I'm loving these vibes. Give me all of it.
Happy birthday, Pinsan, for your 60th birthday today. And more birthday to come.
Way too blessed, no way to be stressed. Positivity. Positivity. Rabbit foot got the luck streak. Free hugs, yeah, the whole world loves me. High-fiving everybody, cause this light can't keep it inside me.
Happy birthday! Ayos ah!
Cause life's so chill right now, right now. Give me all of that.
Happy birthday na to! More birthdays to come! God bless!
Sun's gonna smile, I'm loving this vibe. Give me all of that positivity, blocking out that negativity. Hands up, I'm way too blessed, no way to be stressed.
Happy birthday, paring nato! Yay! Ay, happy birthday, Pinsan nato. In behalf of Binong Kabida family, we wish you all the best. God bless you and your family.
Keep your head up, don't let up. Keep the good vibration. Keep your head up, don't let up. Keep the motivation.
Hello, brother. Happy birthday. Welcome to the club.
Happy birthday, paring nato! Cheers! Happy birthday, nato! All the best!
Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Daddy, happy 60th birthday. Magre-relax ka na muna para ma-maintain yung health mo at makasama pa namin ng mas matagal. We love you, Daddy, at happy 60th birthday.
'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Hello, Daddy. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay hindi maubos ang koi fish mo at ang mga palos mong baby. Wish kong umabot ka ng 150 years. Sana pati yung buhok mo umabot din. Kasi mukhang hindi na. Happy birthday. Love you.
By my doorstep.
Happy 60th birthday, Daddy. We love you. We hope you have enjoyed the party.
This is my message to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the man of the hour, Mr. Renato Calvina!
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Hi, Daddy. Happy 60th birthday. I know, na-surprise ka talaga. Wala kang ka-idea. Galing tayong Japan, pinagpaplanuhan yan ni Keo, ni Gio, at ng mga bata. So, ayaw mong mag-birthday, ayaw mong mag-party, but you deserve this. Welcome to Senior Citizen. Alam mo na, parati ka naming tatawagin pag may mga bibilhin kami para maka-discount. Again, I love you, Daddy. Happy birthday!